Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you UrbanVPN full review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're trying to figure out what Urban VPN is all about, well, it operates completely different from standard services. Now, instead of using a private corporate server network here, it runs on a community peer-to-peer model. Now, this means you are joining a crowdsourced network where users share their interconnection with each other, routing your web traffic through another person's device to mask your true location. Now, in this case, let's first discuss the positives. Now, the most obvious benefit is that it is entirely free for desktop and browser extensions with absolutely no data caps or bandwidth limits. Now, you don't even have to sign up or create an account here. You just download the app and click connect. Now, it has a super minimalist interface here and covers over 80 different countries, which is incredibly rare for a free tool. Now, they have also recently rolled out in-house protocol called Urban Link X, which is based on WireGuard here, or WireGuard technology, to keep your local speeds decent. Now, it even bundles in basic ad blocking right out of the box here. Now, however, just to give you an honest thing or honest warning or information here, well, in this case, there are some things that you may need to watch out for. Now, because it is a peer-to-peer or works as a peer-to-peer network, your device silently becomes an exit node for total strangers. Now, if another user routes their traffic through, let's just say, your house and does something highly illegal or unsavory, well, the digital footprint traces straight back to your personal IP address. Now, creating a major legal risk here for you. To make matters worse here, their privacy policy is a kind of like a total nightmare. And since they don't charge you money, they profit by actively logging your browser history or browsing history here, search queries, and local data to sell to their parent company. Now, a commercial data broker here. Now, combined with the fact that it is completely lacks an automatic kill switch here to protect your identity if the connection blips. So using it, it may be just kind of like a gamble here. But at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to try using it. Just remember to be careful and just know what you're trying or what you're going into. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.